In Pakistan, a significant protest is underway with thousands marching toward Islamabad. Organized by the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf PTI party, led by former Prime Minister Imran Khan, the demonstrations began on November 24th. One of the largest convoys, stretching to kilometers from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, includes Khan's wife, Bushra Bibi. Protesters aim to reach D-Chowk outside Parliament to stage a sit-in demanding Khan's release. Authorities have blocked roads and prohibited large gatherings, resulting in thousands of arrests, including 5 parliamentarians. Despite police using tear gas and crowd control tactics, demonstrators remain determined. The protests coincide with the visit of Belarusian President Alexander Lukashenko to Islamabad. The PTI's strategy involves timing protests with foreign dignitaries to attract media attention. However, despite their efforts, Khan remains imprisoned, leaving uncertainty about whether this protest will compel change.